Get ready to embark on an exciting journey with Paul on Hub. Join us as we explore Africa's endangered wildlife species. This will be a 3-part series, so please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss wildlife adventure. Africa is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including several endangered species. Here are 3 endangered animals found in Africa. African elephant, Loxodonta africana. The African elephant, Loxodonta africana, is the largest land animal and faces threats such as habitat loss, poaching for ivory, and human-wildlife conflict. Habitat loss is a major challenge for African elephants. As human populations expand, there is an increasing demand for agricultural land, resulting in the conversion of elephant habitats into farmland or infrastructure development. This loss of natural habitat fragments elephant populations, disrupts their migratory routes, and limits their access to food and water sources. Poaching for ivory remains a grave threat to African elephants. The demand for ivory, particularly in illegal markets, drives poachers to hunt elephants for their tusks. Despite international bans on ivory trade, poaching still persists due to the high value of ivory on the black market. This illegal activity poses a severe risk to elephant populations as it targets mature elephants, leading to a disruption in their social structures and hindering their ability to reproduce. Human-wildlife conflict is another significant challenge for African elephants. As human settlements expand, elephants often come into conflict with local communities. They may raid crops, destroy property, or pose a threat to human lives. In response, communities sometimes retaliate, leading to the injury or killing of elephants. Such conflicts can escalate tensions between humans and elephants, further endangering their survival. Black rhinoceros, Diceros bicornis. The black rhinoceros, Diceros bicornis, is indeed critically endangered, primarily due to poaching for its horns. These rhinos are targeted for their horns, which are highly valued in illegal wildlife trade, particularly in some Asian markets where they are believed to have medicinal properties and are used for ornamental purposes. The demand for rhino horns is the main driving force behind poaching. Despite the international ban on the trade of rhino horn, illegal markets continue to thrive, leading to an alarming decline in black rhinoceros populations. Poachers often kill rhinos to obtain their horns, leaving behind orphans and disrupting the social structure of rhino populations. Bonobo, Pan-paniscus, also called the pygmy chimpanzee. Bonobos are found in the Democratic Republic of Congo and are endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Bonobos, Pan-paniscus, are found in the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and face significant threats that have led to their endangered status. Habitat destruction is one of the primary challenges faced by bonobos. Deforestation caused by logging, agriculture, and mining activities in the DRC has resulted in the loss and fragmentation of their natural habitat. As their forest homes are cleared, bonobos lose access to food sources, face increased competition, and are isolated into smaller and more vulnerable populations. Illegal hunting, often driven by bushmeat trade, poses a serious threat to bonobos. They are specifically targeted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some areas. The demand for bushmeat, combined with limited law enforcement and economic challenges in the region, contributes to unsustainable hunting practices that impact bonobo populations. Additionally, the political instability and armed conflicts in the DRC have further exacerbated the challenges for bonobos. These conflicts disrupt conservation efforts, hinder law enforcement, and increase the risk of illegal hunting and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are underway to address these threats and protect some of these endangered animals. Efforts include national parks, reserves, and protected areas provide safe havens for these animals, where they can thrive without human interference. Also, anti-poaching measures, including increased law enforcement, intelligence gathering, and public awareness campaigns, aim to combat the illegal ivory trade. Efforts are also being made to promote coexistence between elephants and local communities through strategies such as the establishment of wildlife corridors, electric fencing, and compensation programs for crop damage. International collaborations, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora (CITES), play a crucial role in regulating the trade of elephant products and enforcing measures to protect these majestic creatures. However, despite these efforts, African elephants, bonobos and black rhinoceros still face significant challenges. And continued conservation actions and public awareness are necessary to ensure their long-term survival. Thanks for watching. Look out for parts 2 and 3 of this fascinating story.